In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of connecting Google Forms with Notion using Make.com. This integration can streamline your workflow by ensuring that data collected through Google Forms automatically appears in your Notion workspace, enhancing your productivity and organization. First things first, you'll need to choose the Notion page where you want the Google Forms data to be sent. This could be a new page you've set up specifically for this purpose, or an existing page that fits seamlessly into your workflow. Notion is highly flexible, so ensure that your page is structured in a way that easily accommodates the form data you plan to collect. It's essential to name or organize this page efficiently for the data type, so you can manage it better in the future. Once you've decided on the page in Notion, the next step involves Make.com, a powerful automation tool that connects various applications. You should have a link from Make.com that acts as a bridge between your Google form and Notion. This link is essentially the backbone of this integration. Copy this link carefully, since ensuring its integrity is crucial for the synchronization to function flawlessly. If you need to revisit Make.com to retrieve or generate this link, do so at this time. Now head back to the Notion page you selected in the first step. You're going to paste the Make.com link you copied into this page. Adding the link here integrates the automation workflow with your Notion page. By doing so, you effectively create a pathway for the data collected by Google Forms to travel directly into your Notion environment. Ensure that the link is correctly pasted, as any errors here could disrupt the data flow. Remember, each of these steps plays a vital role in ensuring smooth integration. The intention is to create a seamless data pipeline from the moment a respondent fills out the Google form to when it appears on your Notion page, ready for you to analyze or act upon it. By automating this process, not only do you save time, but you also minimize the risk of manual data entry errors. To recap, you began by selecting the Notion page for the data, then you copied the Make.com link, and lastly, you pasted it into your chosen page in Notion. With these three straightforward steps, your setup should now be complete, and your Google Forms responses should start flowing into Notion as anticipated. This integration can become an invaluable part of your toolkit, allowing you to keep tabs on responses effortlessly in Notion. Remember, as with any integration, it's a good idea to test the setup initially to ensure everything is functioning as expected. And that wraps up the process of linking Google Forms with Notion via Make.com. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.